Hi, my name is Remy Pengel, and I work at the Center for the Advancement of Sustainable Energy at James Madison University. And today we're going to do a lesson on wind energy. And we're going to do that using something called the Firefly. A Firefly is a product by Kidwind, and you can download the free activity guide to go with this activity at kidwind.org. So first, we're going to put together our Firefly, which is just a mini wind turbine. So first things first, we need a pencil. This is going to be our tower for our wind turbine. On top of that, we're going to pop the nacelle. And the nacelle is the part of the turbine that holds the generator where we're making electricity. So this is our generator, and if we spin the generator, you can see that the light is going to light up. So as I pop this into our casing, now we have our wind turbine, but we're missing a big important part, which is the blades. So here are the blades, and we're gonna just pop that on the shaft of the generator, like so. And when we turn on the fan, the light lights up in the wind. Super fun. So we're making electricity using the kinetic energy and the wind to convert to mechanical and then electrical energy. So today we're going to be using this Firefly to do some really quick blade experiments. So we're going to keep all of our other variables constant, and the only thing that we're going to change is the number of blades, and with that a little bit of the shape of the blade, using the templates that come in the activity pack. So we have a 2-bladed design, a 3-bladed design, 4, 5, and 6-bladed designs. And so I've made those right here. I made it out of cardstock, so they're a little heavy. And we're going to test each one by one to see which one can light the light bulb in the Firefly the best. So I'm going to give you a second to make your own hypothesis. Which of the blade designs do you think is going to light the light bulb the best? 2 blades, all the way up to 6 blades. I say we give it a try. Okay, so we're going to start with the 2-bladed design. And we're going to pop it on. And I have my fan on medium speed, and we're going to keep it on medium speed throughout this whole experiment so that we don't change that variable. Okay, 2 blades, experiment number 1. I don't see the light. Okay, so 2 blades did not light the light bulb. Let's see if the 3-bladed design does. Nope, not so much. How about 4? Oh, there's the light. Good stuff. So 4 blades so far seems to be the winner. Do you think it's going to get brighter with more blades? Let's try 5. Spins pretty good, but not lighting the light bulb. Oh, if I get really close, it flickers. Oh, but definitely not as good as that 4-bladed design. 6, do you think more blades is going to make it happen? Oh, it is. Not as bright as the 4 blades, I don't think, but it definitely is working. Good stuff. So it looks like our 4-blade design is the winner. So 2 blades and 3 blades didn't seem to be enough. And then the 5 blades, I don't know, maybe too small, too many blades, but 6 blades also lit the light bulb. So maybe there's just this happy medium, maybe there's a variable that we didn't consider, like size, or the bend in the blades, or the shape of the blades. Good stuff. So I think we had a good time learning about wind energy today. Remember that this is a free activity pack you can get at kidwind.com. You can also purchase the Firefly. Oh, sorry, kidwind.org. Kidwind.org. You can also purchase the Fireflies there, or you can also borrow the Fireflies kit from the CASE Renewable Energy Kit Library. If you have ideas about videos or want to request a live demonstration on another renewable energy kit that we have, or if you want to borrow a kit, go ahead and email us at casejmu@gmail.com. Thanks so much.